Fa a neelana ka molaetsa wa Keresemose motlatsa moporesidente David Mabuza o ikuetse go maAforika Borwa go thusa mo twantshong ya tirisodikgoka ya bong go akaretsa le dikgwetlho tseo baagi ba lebaneng natso mo malatsing ano a khunologo. Mabuza a re puso e leka ka natla go matlafatsa le go itlhaganedisa tsibogo go mathata a. Motlatsa moporesidente o ikuetse gape go setšhaba go tsena mo ngwageng o montšhwa ka maikarabelo.
Many of us will be traveling to various destinations throughout the country. Therefore, safety and security should become a priority to all of us. To this end, we have in all the spheres of government intensified our interventions to improve effectiveness of the Arrive Alive road safety campaign. We appeal to all road users, both drivers and pedestrians, to respect one another, obey the rules and stay safe during this festive season. Even if we take this necessary precautions, let us hold on to the promise of a better tomorrow. For when we keep hope alive, we see light at the end of a dark tunnel that leads us to a better tomorrow. Let us be responsible citizens in words and in deeds. On behalf of the President and government, we wish you a restful period, a peaceful and safe festive season, and a Merry Christmas.